Hello everyone, welcome back to the CX Speed Updates here with me, Roberto, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. And today we'll be talking about a CATHAY 777-300ER that flew to Xiamen for maintenance or possibly retirement. So since she's leased, so this aircraft took her flight number. She actually took her flight number 63820. As you can see it here, with a great circle distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight time 1 hour and 2 minutes, and a track of 295 degrees as you can see it here. The aircraft's registration is Babylon's Kilo Quebec Kilo. This aircraft took off at 4:53 a.m. local time in HK at the southern runway, which is runway 7 light. And then she landed at runway 97 at Xiamen International Airport at 5:55 a.m. local time. So I hope this aircraft will stay low and I feel that she will be painted white and blue, this one and the umbrella, so because she is pleased. Alongside her fellow aircraft Bravo Kilo Quebec Echo and Bravo Kilo Quebec Juliet, as the latter is currently sounding AB Bravo Quebec Kilo Quebec Romeo. So let's proceed to the next aircraft, which is an A350-1000. This aircraft is registered as Bravo Lima X-Ray Echo with the flight number 63823, and then she took off at took her great circle distance of 496 kilometers, and then she took off at the Xiamen Airport at 2:02 a.m. local time at runway 907. Then landed at the southern runway, aka runway 7 right, at exactly 3:55 a.m. in HK or Hong Kong Chicago Airport. She's currently on her way to Chicago right now at 6806, and then she took off at 1:09 p.m. local time in HK. So that's a wrap for the video. For the videos of these planes, can you check the previous video about them? So thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.